Hello guys, welcome back today. So today also, as usual, Hamster has given us the combo to get the 5 million units card. So we are going to look for the card as usual. I always bring you the first, be the first to bring you the card so that you can claim the 5 million. So that is what I want to do. Now I want to show you those cards that are for today. So as usual, when you come to Hamster Kombat, you navigate to mine. So you see, when you come to mine, you have to claim 5 million playing this puzzle. So to really know which of these puzzle for you to claim the 5 million, so that you have additional 5 million here for this to use it and buy and make this profit, is what we are really looking out for. So let's look for the today's card. So for today's card, because I always go for this puzzle and I will always give you the best, always come here to get it. All right, let's look for today's card. Today's card, let's look for it. I'm looking for it. I'm going to show you. Let's go to legal and look for it. All right, let's look for it. All right, this is today's first card. License UAE. This is today's first card. All right, let's check if it's the one. Wow, have you seen? I got the first card correctly. All right, let's go and get the second card. Let's go. Second card. Let's go. Let's look for the second card. Let's look for the second card. Are you with me? The second card. All right, this is the second card. Have you seen? This is the second card. So you go ahead and you purchase the second card. This is the second card. Wow, have you seen? The second card assemble. Just a bit left. So let's look for the last card. Let's look for the last card. The last card, the last card, the last card. Let's go to new. All right, I have seen the last card. This is the last card. Unfortunately, if you don't refer 9 people, you will not be able to buy the last card. But this is the last card. This is certainly the last card. So I am to refer 9 persons so that I'll be able to get the last card. So if I go ahead now, I won't be able to get it. But just notice that long squeeze is the last card. So let me go and refer 9 people, and immediately I'm going to get the last card, and I'm going to come back to update you. But if you have referred up to 9 persons, certainly come and click this. This is the last card. This is the last card, long squeeze. So I am going to refer 9 people now, and then I'm going to update you guys. And then, but if you have 9 persons, after clicking these 2, just click that one, you'll get the 5,000. Thank you. I'm going to come back with the last card I'm going to show you now. Thank you.